Hello Ninjas, it's Ninja Bob coming to you from the Ninja World headquarters in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. Hey, what season is it? It's open house season, right? Yeah, I'm sure that you've heard our Ninja Challenge for the month of May is our open house challenge. Let me give you 3 quick wins to make any open house a great success. First off, have plenty of signs. My rule of thumb is you always put out at least 10 signs and you have your name on them. Even if people can't stop by your open house, you want them to see your name. You want them to see that you're busy, that you're productive, and that you're working hard for your sellers. 2, if they aren't able to stop by your open house, have something on your sign so that they can connect with you. Your name and phone number at the bare minimum, or how about things like a QR code, something that they could scan and either get an item of value from you or request information from you as well. And third, have things in your open house that are items of value. Have something like a floor plan or a walking tour, and when somebody comes in, be able to give that to them. Remember, hit on both art and science, make them feel welcome, give them value, and what will they return to you? They'll return value to you. And what is the value that we're looking for from an open house? Some information so that we can connect with them and follow up with them after the open house. Check the link below for Eric Thompson's open house tip from a couple of weeks ago to expand on these ideas, and join the Ninja Open House Challenge for May. We'll see you somewhere along the Ninja path.